In this video, I want to share with you 30 autism awareness prompts that you can use for your merch-on-demand business. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch-on-demand and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those autism awareness prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for merch-on-demand. So today is Wednesday, February 12th, 6:40 a.m. in the morning. I already got one sale. Yesterday, I did 50 sales and $50 in royalties. Yesterday was actually my best day of the year. 2025, I did 72 sales and $96 in royalties, almost got to 100, but that is going to put me at 514 sales for the month and $682 in royalties. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, the link's in the description. I also post like family pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So we have Autism Awareness Day, or even month, coming up in April. So this is World Autism Day on April 2nd, but April is just Autism Awareness Month. And this is a huge niche. Every year this niche does very, very well. I've been able to have a couple designs take off during this time, so a really good niche for us merch-on-demand sellers. A lot of people are going to be looking for these type of shirts. So I went ahead and I created 30 prompts, and you can actually get them on my PayHip shop right here. So 30 autism prompts. And I'm offering a 50% off sale. So just for today only, you get everything for 50% off. I even made this coastal cowgirl one as well. I'm trying some like wall art prompts, so if you're interested, maybe take a look at that one as well. But let's go ahead and take a look at the prompts to see how they came out. So here we are on my ideogram page in the like section. So the first one is, I don't speak much because I'm brilliant and I'm busy thinking. The majority of the colors or themes for these designs are going to be like rainbow colors and puzzle pieces. Next one is going to be Autism Mom. I use patience on my kids, so I don't have much left for you. So that's kind of a funny one where we're cross-niching autism with mom. Everyone communicates differently. I think this one turned out really nice. This next one also turned out really nice. Yes, I got autism. Yes, I am a genius. I may be nonverbal, but my mama ain't. Remember that. You can switch that out with grandma or any other type of demographic, dad, grandpa. I'm a proud autism grandma, so here we're cross-niching autism with grandma. Oh, for some reason I have two there. It takes a special paraprofessional to hear what a child can't say, so here we're taking autism and cross-niching it with paraprofessional. Society says I'm autistic. God says I'm perfect. I really like this one right here. So this is going to be good for people who are, practice like Christianity. It's okay to be different. Autism awareness, really nice cartoonish one with the elephant. That's really cute right there. Another autism mom one. Some people look up to their heroes. I'm raising mine. I thought this one was kind of cool because it's a little different. We have the puzzle piece, but instead of like rainbow colors, it's a whole bunch of little hearts inside. So love needs no words. And you could scale this, and maybe you can put like this text right here. It's okay to be different. You can just switch out the text and just use the clip art. Neurodiversity, celebrate the spectrum. This one also came out very clean. What makes you different is what makes you beautiful. Here we're using the elephant again. If you think my hands are full, you should see my heart. That's a good phrase right there. Autism is my superpower. We're using the T-Rex. You can take almost any niche, cross-niche it with T-Rex, and it's got a good chance to sell on merch on demand. Inclusion is my jam. Neurodiversity, celebrate the spectrum, kind of similar to this one right here, but instead of a book with flowers, we're using a brain with sunglasses. Here's a giraffe one. It's okay to be different. Autism awareness, daddy of a warrior. This can be scaled to mommy of a warrior, grandma of a warrior, grandpa of a warrior, sister, brother, husband, wife, things like that. Autism doesn't come with a manual. It comes with a mom who never gives up. So really good phrase there that moms who have kids with autism are really going to be able to resonate with. It's not a disability. It's a different ability. See the able, not the label. Autism, just with the barcode that you scan. I'm her voice. She is my heart. I really like this one right here. I think that turned out nice. The silhouette with the puzzle pieces inside. Here's one with the unicorn. Autism, dancing to a different beat. Don't judge what you don't understand. Rocking to a different tune, so kind of like this one, but here we have a controller. And last three is going to be, in a world where you can be different, be kind, autism awareness, autism princess, and be happy in your own shell. And then here are some of those cowgirl, those coastal cowgirl for like wall art if you're into Etsy. But yeah, so here are the autism ones. Again, you can get them for only $2.25 just for today, and everything else in my shop will be on sale, 50% off. So those are the prompts that I have for you. Now, if you're interested in some other options, I have these affiliate links in my description. So I just showed you the prompts. Actually, let's go back to the prompts because we have a monthly prompt. So like a good one or a good option could be the ones for April or for March. 100 prompts for April or March. You know, usually it's $15, but now today it's only $7.50. Holiday prompts, so some other ones that would make sense because of the date is going to be, let's see, St. Patrick's Day, Mardi Gras. Those are probably the two ones that are coming up. I'm going to be making like, what's it called, Cinco de Mayo, Easter, World Day, all the holidays that are coming up. And then if you're looking for a deal, I got this one right here that is 500 prompts. 500 evergreen prompts for only $12.50. Usually it's $24.99. You get 100. I took these four right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, just bundled up together and made this evergreen collection right here of 500 prompts. I also have an affiliate link for Ideogram. So if you want to sign up to Ideogram, if you use my link, you'll get 100 bonus priority prompts. Merch Dominator. This is how I do my research. So let's see if we can find a good one here that makes sense. So right now it looks like Gulf of Mexico is trending. So instead of Gulf of America, it's people are doing like the opposite, and they're saying, okay, no, we want it to be Gulf of Mexico. So these are people for like pro Gulf of Mexico. So Gulf of Mexico forever. So that could be a good one. Another Gulf of Mexico. Basically what I like to do is just come in here and look for like you know, duplicates or repetition. Deported and now I'm back. Here's another one, deported and now I'm back. So those are how you can find trending niches. And then I also have a merch course, my Creative Fabrica shop. So you can come on here and check out my Creative Fabrica shop where I have designs. And then I have some affiliate links for Everbee. So kind of a short video today. Just wanted to share with you these prompts for autism. I think they turned out really nice. They really pop. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Like, look how nice these two are right here. These ones are also really nice. And I think they all turned out really good. But yeah, so that's the video for today. Comment below. Let me know what you think. And check out those affiliate links also in my description. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel, have the bell checked, because I have an announcement coming up on my next video on Friday. I'm going to be talking to you about the GPTs that I've been created. My last video was one about SEO, and people seem to really like it, and they want to know how that's going to be available. So I'm going to be sharing that with you. I also have two other GPTs that I've made as well. One is for like prompts. The other one is for Amazon advertising keywords. So that's going to be a really good one that you can use as well. But yeah, make sure you're subscribed, click the bell, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.